This is the UniFi Protect search page on printables. And hiding in here are the 10 most downloaded prints that fix real problems Ubiquiti never solved. Mounts, rain covers, wall plates, all free STLs, ranked by community stats. And number 1 has over 1,000 downloads for a very good reason. Together, today's top 10 have racked up 3,191 downloads on printables alone. That is thousands of cameras hanging on plastic their owners printed themselves. We are counting down from 10 to 1, and number 1 fixes the single most complained about thing on the G4 doorbell. Stay for that. Kicking off at 10, Medwin's G4 doorbell angle mount with a built-in rain cover. 2 fixes in 1 print. Number 9 is Stefan's G5 camera wedge, with 25mm of adjustment range for awkward walls. And at 8, the Project Wheels desktop stand turns the big G4 and G5 Pro cameras into tabletop cameras. 154 downloads and counting. Number 7, a weather cover for the G5 Turret Ultra by Axeli. It shields the lens from rain and snow without clipping the view, and it fits most turret-style cameras. If your turret stares straight into the weather, this is a one-evening print that saves you smeared footage all winter. At 6, TXGNR&R rotated the G4 instance mount 22.5 degrees and added a cable pass-through. It sounds tiny, but if your camera watches a hallway or a fence line, that offset is the difference between the shot you want and the wall you don't. Number 5, Zahai's wall mount for the G4 Dome, 488 downloads. The dome is designed for ceilings, so this bracket is how you get it onto a wall without drilling at weird angles. 3 makers have posted photos of theirs in the wild, which is always a good sign. Here's how the top 5 stack up. The doorbell wedge is not just first, it more than doubles the G4 Dome wall mount in second place. When one free print outruns everything else this hard, it usually means it solves a problem every single owner hits. Number 4. Justmez 3's universal mount for bullet cameras. One design that fits G3, G4, and G5. Print it in ASA or PETG if it lives outside. PLA will sag in summer sun. 375 downloads say plenty of bullets are hanging on this exact bracket right now. Number 3 is sneaky clever. M. Fisher 79's gangplate mounts a G3 or G5 flex, or even a U6 mesh access point, straight onto a standard 1-gang electrical box. Old doorbell box, dead light switch, junction box in the garage, instant camera location with clean power routing. The runner-up, Morris Lazutin's outdoor rain cover for bullet cameras, with hole positions for both G3 and G5. With 63 likes, it is one of the most loved UniFi prints on printables. It keeps droplets off the lens hood, the difference between footage and a blurry smear on the one night you actually need it. And number 1, the payoff. Andreas JK's Parametric wedge mount for the G4 Doorbell Pro, 1,075 downloads and 82 likes. Doorbells almost never face where people actually stand, and this wedge angles yours 30, 35, 40, or 45 degrees, left or right of the door. It ships with the OpenSCAD source, so you can generate any angle you want. PETG, 15% infill, no supports. One evening print, problem solved forever. Quick honest bit before you fire up the slicer. Most of these are licensed Creative Commons non-commercial. Print as many as you like, just don't sell them. Use PETG or ASA outdoors, because PLA turns into modern art in July. And double-check your camera generation before printing. The shells changed between G3, G4, and G5. All 10 models are linked in the description. Every designer deserves the click and the like. If you print one, post a make photo. It genuinely helps these creators. Subscribe for more prints worth the filament, and tell me in the comments which UniFi accessory still needs designing.